Welcome! Today, I'm going to show you how to enable Vanish Mode on Instagram with the latest update. Vanish Mode is a cool feature that lets your messages disappear automatically after they've been seen, adding an extra layer of privacy to your chats. Whether you want to share something temporarily or just keep your conversations more secure, Vanish Mode is super easy to turn on. Let's get started. First, open your Instagram app and head straight to the Chats section. This is where all your direct messages are stored. Once you're in Chats, pick any conversation you want to use Vanish Mode in and tap to open it. Now here's the quick trick. Once inside the chat, simply swipe up from the bottom of the screen and then release your finger. You'll notice the screen change, usually with a dark background and a message telling you that Vanish Mode is activated. This means your messages will now disappear after the other person has seen them and you close the chat. If you want to turn Vanish Mode off, just swipe up again and release, and you'll be back to the normal chat view. It's that simple. Keep in mind, Vanish Mode only works when both people in the chat have it enabled. If the other person hasn't activated it, your messages won't disappear. Also, screenshots taken in Vanish Mode will notify the other person, so it's a feature designed to keep things private and transparent. So, to recap, open Instagram, go to Chats, tap a chat, swipe up and release to turn on Vanish Mode, and swipe up again to turn it off. It's a quick and effective way to keep your conversations temporary and secure. Give it a try and enjoy a new way to chat privately on Instagram. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out more tips and tricks to get the most out of your social media experience.